This lesson is on fractional exponents. When a number is being taken to a fractional exponent, we know that we're dealing with some kind of root. It might be a square root, it might be a cube root, or something else. When it is to the 1/2, we're talking about a square root. So 4 to the 1/2 means the same as the square root of 4. And we know that the square root of 4 is 2 because 2 times 2 gives us 4. When we have 100 to the 1/2, that means we want the square root of 100, and the square root of 100 is 10. When you're dealing with cube root, or when you have something to the 1/3 power, here we have 8 to the 1/3. That means you want the cube root of 8. So we put a 3 in here, the cube root of 8. So what times itself 3 times gives you 8? What times itself gives you 8? And that would be the number 2. Here we have 27 to the 1/3, so that's the cube root of 27. What number times itself gives you 27? And that would be 3. Here we have a couple of problems where we have variables mixed in. Remember that we've talked that an exponent only affects directly what it touches, and here it's just affecting the x. So the x is what we're going to take the square root of. So this is 2 times the square root of x, and we would leave it just like that. We don't need a multiplication sign in there because it's assumed to already be there. This time we have this whole thing being taken to the 1/3. We can tell it's all being taken to the 1/3 because it's all in parentheses, and the 1/3 is affecting everything that's inside the parentheses. So this is going to be the cube root of 3x squared. And we leave it just like that.